Welcome to the International Cafe on the Sun Princess. It's located on Deck 9 at the Piazza. It has a coffee shop there for you and a lot of good snackies that you can come and get. Since it's open 24 hours a day, you'll see a rotation of these food items throughout the day. You will be able to find sugar-free and gluten-free items. There are different kinds of pastries and desserts and also sandwiches. So don't feel like you've got to rush at dinner time and you're going to miss dessert because you want to go to the show. Go ahead and go to the show. You can always come by the International Cafe afterwards and get the dessert you're looking for. The International Cafe is a very popular and busy spot, so there will be lines sometimes, especially for the coffee. The food items, their line goes very quickly. The coffee, you may have to wait a few minutes. But apparently it's worth waiting for because the line's always there and the people are very patient, knowing they're going to get exactly what they ordered. Have you seen something yet in this video that you just wish you could reach your hand in there and grab? You'll find that the sandwiches, there are both cold sandwiches and hot sandwiches, which they'll make fresh for you right there on the spot while you wait. Here's some of them now. I really like their egg salad sandwich. Yeah, this video is making me hungry too. And here's some of those gluten-free options for you. Can you believe they got pancakes? We're at International Cafe here on Sun Princess. I got some chocolate chip cookies. They are wonderful.
And I got gluten-free ham and cheese sandwich. Look at that bun. It is really good. It's toasted. It's warm.
Wow. Thanks for coming with us today to the International Cafe on the Sun Princess, located on Deck 9 at the Piazza. We are Sea Leg Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.